What is the full form of the CVV? The full form CVV is card verification value. It is a security feature offered on the credit, debit and ATM card by financial institution. It is a 3-digit number or a collections of 3-digit number of the right side of the signature strip printed on the back of your credit or debit cards. Its goal is to build the identifications of the owner and minimize the possibility of cheating during internet banking. CVV is also known as CBC card verification code or CSV card protection code. There is typically a 4-digit number on the front of the card in American Express AMEX cards.